Welcome to the Field Maps and Survey123 Mashup. What we're going to do is we're going to take one layer from Field Maps and we're going to take all the layers from Survey123 and we're going to put them all in one hosted service. How does that sound? Sounds pretty amazing to me. I love all my data in one place. So how do we do that? Well, we're going to take Survey123, we're going to build it out. Then we're going to publish that into the cloud. Then we're going to take that publish hosted service and bring it down into ArcGIS Pro. Then we're going to add one layer to that, which is your field maps layer. We're going to create a relationship to the GUID. We're going to bunch that all up and we're going to republish it. I'm sure there's a few extra steps in there somewhere, but this is just for a quick video. And then what we're going to do is take the new hosted service link and go back into Connect, and we're going to replace the normal URL that Survey123 has and put that new field in there. And now they're all tied together. Now we're going to go back into field maps or into our map. We're going to add a couple pieces of data so that it's going to show up in field maps. And then we're going to add some code so that we can push the data from field maps into Survey123. And now they're working in Survey123 because we as GIS folks, we like all the deliverables for Survey123, but the field crew really likes its field maps because they feel comfortable because everything's on the map. So let's give them what they want and let's give us what we want. Welcome to my world, my friends. Have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.